Hi friends, in this video we are going to convert a 22-inch LCD TV into LED TV. In this TV, here you can see, now we removed the panel frame. You can see these are the CFL tubes. So here we are going to remove these CFL tubes. I am going to install this edge LED. Here this single strip cost is about 120 rupees in the market. So here I take total 2 strips. See friends, to reduce the length of this LED strip, you can cut down from the marked area on the back side of the strip. From this line you can cut down the LED strip to reduce the length. After correcting the length, then the next step is to stick this LED strip using a double side tape or a gum. See friends, finally here we fixed the LED strip using a double side tape. See friends, now the LED strips are fixed in this frame. See friends, finally here we put the LED strip in the panel frame. In the LED checker, here you can see the LED strips are working properly. Now we can put the panel. See friends, for these types of LED strip, we need to use this inverter board. It's a LED inverter board. For these types of LED strips, you can connect 5 volt to 24 volt in this inverter board as supply. So here we can connect the left and right LED strip. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics.